Hi, Michael here with Hawley Home Inspections. On today's episode of What's Wrong with Your House, we're going to talk about ungrounded receptacles. Up into the mid-60s, most houses came standard with a two-prong receptacle. This will present a problem though with today's modern appliances, and they come standard with a three-prong cord. This won't fit. A simple solution for this would be to buy a two-prong to three-prong adapter. That way you can still run your appliance. However, this is still unsafe. The appliance is actually not grounded. A lot of times what will happen is they'll switch them out to a three-prong receptacle, but they don't run the ground wire for it. And if that happens, when you use your 3-light tester to check your outlet, it'll look something like this. Okay. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos on this series.